My name is Greg Craig. I'm from the law firm of Skadden Arps, and we represent Senator John Edwards in this proceeding. I did want to say a couple of things today. The first thing I want to say something about the indictment, what the indictment is. The second thing I want to say is something about the indictment that the indictment isn't. And the third thing I want to say has to do with some history. Each and every one of the claims set forth in this indictment relies on the government's claim and the government's theory of the case that the payments at issue here were campaign contributions, should have been treated as campaign contributions, and are therefore violations of the campaign finance laws. There's nothing more or nothing less. It's all about the question of whether or not these payments should have been treated as campaign contributions or not. The second point is what the indictment is not. There is no claim in this indictment that there was any misuse of campaign funds. There is no one alleging that campaign funds of the presidential campaign are involved here. So that is not an issue in this case. And finally, I want to say this. In the history of the federal election campaign law, no one has ever been charged, either civilly or criminally, with the claims that have been brought against Senator Edwards today. This is an unprecedented prosecution, much less an unprecedented civil case. No one would have known, or should have known, or could have been expected to know that these payments would be treated or should be considered as campaign contributions, and there is no way that Senator Edwards knew that fact either. He will enter a plea of not guilty. He has broken no law, and we will defend this case vigorously. Thank you very much.